Okay. See, yesterday we have created customer master records, right? Write down here. Some space is there, no? Please write down. The following are the customer master data tables. The following are the customer master data tables. Number 1, KNA1. KNA1. Customer master general data. Customer master general data. Number 2, KNB1. Customer master company code data. Customer master company code data. KNVV. Customer master sales data. Customer master sales data. So these are the 3 tables that are updated for the customer master record creation. Right? And these are the other transaction codes relating to customer master record maintenance. Then define document types and number ranges. So here we have to define the number ranges for document type DR, which represents customer invoice posting, DZ, customer payment posting, DA, customer other document. So it is just similar to defining the number ranges for KR, KZ, KA in the accounts payable and SA in the general ledger. Transaction code OBA7. Click on position. Document type is equal to DR. Document type is equal to DR. Click on enter. Select DR document type. Click on details button. See the number range number 18. For the number range number 18, we link the number range information, number range interval. Company code SSKH. Click on change intervals. Click on insert line. Number is equal to 18. Year is equal to 2022. From number 6 lakhs 1 to number 7 lakhs. Click on save. Then click on back arrow 3 times. After that, you please add one more sentence there. After clicking on back arrow, deselect document type DR. Deselect document type DR. Click on position. Document type DZ. Click on enter. Select DZ document type. Click on details button. See the number range number 14. Click on number range information. Company code SSKH. Click on change intervals. Click on insert line. Number is equal to 14. Year is equal to 2022 fiscal year. From number 7 lakh 1 to number 8 lakhs. Click on save. Now click on back arrow 3 times. After that, you add one more sentence there. Below this sentence, you add one more sentence. Deselect document type DZ. Deselect document type DZ. Click on position. Document type DA. Click on enter. Select DA document type. Click on details button. See the number range number 16. Click on number range information. Company code SSKH. Click on change intervals. Click on insert line. Number is equal to 16. Year is equal to 2022. From number 8 lakh 1 to number 9 lakhs. Click on save and enter. Now you can post the per sales invoices. Posting of sales invoice F-22. Right down. We can post the sales invoice in FB70 also. We can post the sales invoice in FB70 also. So normally in real time we use FB70, but in the training classes we use F-22. Of course, if you want, you can use FB70 also in your practice. F-22. Document date is 1/3/2022. Sorry, 23. Document date is 1/3/2023. Type is DR. Company code SSKH. Posting date 1/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Posting key 01. Within brackets. Debit for customer. Debit for customer for invoice. Debit for customer for invoice. Account is equal to customer number. $8706. Account is equal to 8706. Click on enter. See here for the V3 fiscal year variant, no period is defined for 1/3/2023. Means somebody had changed the system default settings. Here, if you remember, at the time of fiscal year variant, I told you for the non-calendar year fiscal years, we have to define the periods. OB29. In the OB29, we define fiscal year variants, right? Fiscal year into V3. V3 means April to March. See, somebody has changed this as year dependent fiscal year. First, you deselect that. Now, select this V3, double click on periods. I think already explained you how to define the periods for the fiscal year variants. Click on new entries. Here, our fiscal year V3 means April to March, right? So in the system, always only calendar year was defined. System does not know anything else. System knows only the calendar year, right? So according to system, right? See, the current calendar is 2023, right? But in the system, right, 2022. So April to March means April 2022 to March 2023, right? That's why in the calendar year 2022, April means fourth month, whose last day is 30th, period 1. So the fourth month of calendar year 2022, whose last date is 30th, should be taken as period number 1 in our fiscal year, year shift 0. Means according to system, the calendar year is 2022, means fiscal year is 2022. Our fiscal year is also 2022. So year shift 0. Then April of 2022 means according to system calendar year, April means fifth month, right? So fifth month of system calendar year, whose last date is 31st, should be taken as period number 2 in our fiscal year, year shift 0. Why year shift 0? Because system calendar year, that is fiscal year. System fiscal year is 2022 and our fiscal year is also 2022. On the same logic, sixth month, whose last date is 30th, should be taken as third period, year shift 0. Then seventh month, whose last date is 31st, should be taken as fourth period, year shift 0. August, 8th month, whose last date is 31st, should be taken as fifth period, year shift 0. Then ninth month, whose last day is 30th, should be taken as period 6, year shift 0. 10th means October, whose last day is 31st, should be taken as seventh period, year shift 0. Then 11th month, whose last day is 30, should be taken as eighth period, year shift 0. Then 12th month, December, whose last date is 31st, should be taken as ninth period, year shift 0. Now, December 2022. After December 2022, system automatically shifts to next calendar year 2023. So according to system, the fiscal year is 2023, but our fiscal year is not yet over. Our fiscal year is still 2022 only. So January 2023 means month number 1, whose last day is 31st, should be taken as 10th period. Remember, system fiscal year is 2023, but our fiscal year is 2022. That means system has to shift from 2023 to 2022. That's why year shift -1. Similarly, February 2023 means second period, 28. Then 11th period, year shift -1. So according to system, February 2023 means according to system, right? The fiscal year is 2023, but our fiscal year is still 2022, right? So the system has to shift from 2023 to 2022. That's why we use -1. Then month 3, third month of March 2023 means third month of system fiscal year, whose last date is 31st, should be taken as 12th period, year shift -1. That's how we have to define the periods. And I told you already, it is not necessary to define the special periods. Now we can push the transactions. I request everybody not to change system default settings, please. So document date is 1/3/2023. Type is DR. Company code SSKH. Posting date 1/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Posting key 01. Account is 8706. 8706. Click on enter. Amount is 2 lakhs. Click on enter. Amount is 2 lakhs. Business area SSKH. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 1/3/2023. Text being goods sold. Posting key 50. Account is 3 lakhs. Sales account is to be created and sales account is a GL account. Click on enter. Amount is asterisk. Business area SSKH. Text plus. Click on save. See, document 6 lakhs one was posted in the company code SSKH. Here, the document type for the customer invoice is DR. So for the DR, we define the number ranges 6 lakhs 1 to 7 lakhs. And this is the first invoice you have posted. So system has taken the first number, right? Right down there itself. When the customer invoice is posted, the system will update the following 3 tables. The following 3 tables. Number 1, BKPF. BKPF. Accounting document header table. Accounting document header table. BSEG number 2. BSEG accounting document line items table. Accounting document line items table. Accounting document line items table. Then BSID. BSID secondary index table. Secondary index table for the customer line items. Secondary index table for the customer line items. Sorry, customer open items. Secondary index table for the customer open items. So these are the 3 tables that are updated when we post sales invoice. Now let us post one more invoice for another customer. Same procedure. Document date is 1/3/2023. Type is DR. Company code SSKH. Posting date 1/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Posting key 01. Account is 8707. Click on enter. Amount is 3 lakhs. Business area SSKH. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 1/3/2023. Text being goods sold. Posting key 50. Account is 3 lakhs. Click on enter. Amount is asterisk. Business area SSKH. Text plus. Click on save. Now check customer line item display. It is just similar to FBL3N, FBL1N. Vendor account GL, vendor account line item display, GL account line item display. Customer is equal to 8706. Company code SSKH. Select to open items. Opted key date 1/3/2023. Layout is 1 SAP. Click on execute. See, there is one open item in the customer account 8706. And you see document DR customer invoice and status red color open item. So this 2 lakhs is pending for receipt. Now, display customer account balance, FD10N. FK10N, vendor account balance display. K stands for vendor account type. FD10N, customer account balance display. D for customer account type. That's how you can remember the transaction codes. Customer is 8706. Company code SSKH. Fiscal year 2022. Click on enter. Sorry, click on execute. See, 12th month, 12th period. March 2023 means 12th period. So in the 12th period, right, in the customer 8706, total amount debit balance is 2 lakhs. Remember, customer account always shows debit balance. If you double click on the total, you can see the list of invoices which comprises that balance. Here, only one invoice is there. Now, display balance in Sundry debtors account, FS10N / FAGLB03. FAGLB03. See, in the new general ledger accounting, to display the GL account balance, transaction code is FAGLB03. In the previous, which is called classical general ledger accounting, transaction code is FS10. Account number is equal to 2,125,000. See here, we have posted 2 invoices, 2 lakhs for one customer, 3 lakhs for another customer. So total amount of receivables is 5 lakhs. It has to be reflected in the GL account. That is reconciliation account. Account number is equal to 2,125,000. Company code SSKH. Fiscal year 2022. Click on execute. See, total amount of receivables is 5 lakhs. If you prepare the balance sheet now, right, Sundry debtors is displayed on the asset side, right? For that, amount is taken from this account. If you double click on the total, see, 2 lakhs you have to receive from the customer 8706. 3 lakhs you have to receive from the customer 8707. If you remember, for the Sundry debtors reconciliation account, we have given the sort key 031, which means customer number. Then posting of incoming payment, F-28. Here the procedure of clearing is very same with F-53. Document date is 1/3/2023. Type is DZ. Company code SSKH. Posting date 1/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Under bank data, account is 2,101,000. Business area SSKH. Amount is equal to 2 lakhs. Text being payment from customer. Text being payment from customer. Under open selection, account is 8706. Click on process open items. So here also observe amount entered, amount assigned, not assigned, right? So in order to push the payment from customer also, right, we have to ensure always not assigned column should be 0. For that, we have to set off this amount entered against the invoice. So keep the cursor on amount entered, double click on invoice amount. Click on Save. Now let us display the document. HDFC Bank current account is debited. It's a GL account, posting key 40, right? Then Ram and Company, customer account is credited, posting key 15. Right down there. Posting key 15. Posting key 15. Credit for customer for incoming payment. Credit for customer for incoming payment. When the incoming payment is posted, the system will update the following three tables. BKPF, accounting document header table. The accounting document header table. BSEG, accounting document line items table. The accounting document line items table. Number 3, BSEAD. Secondary index table. For customer cleared items. Secondary index table for customer cleared items. Right. So for open items, BSAD. For cleared items, BSEAD. Now check customer line item display. FBL5N. Customer account is 8706. Company code SSKH. Select open items. Opened key date 1/3/2023. Layout is one SAP. Click on execute. See, system is saying no item selected because there isn't any open items. If you select the cleared items, you can see or you can display the invoices on which amount was paid by customer. See, invoice document number 6,00,001. See here, document FDR, okay, invoice number 6,00,001 is cleared, right? With the clearing document number 7,00,001. 7,00,001 is the payment document, DZ. So this invoice document is cleared with this payment document. That's how we have to interpret the paid invoices and open items in SAP. Then display account balance in the customer account, FD10N. Customer account is 8706. Company code SSKH. Fiscal year 2022. Click on execute. See, debit is equal to credit. Balance is 0. So next one is display balance in Sunday debtors. Now the total amount of receivable should be 3 lakhs. FS10N, display balance and sundry debtors. FS10N or FAGLB03. The account number is equal to 2,125,000. Company code is equal to SSKH. Fiscal year 2022. Click on execute. See, total amount of receivables is 3 lakhs only. Out of 5 lakhs, you receive 2 lakhs from the first customer. So still you have to receive 3 lakhs. If you double click on this 3 lakhs, it will display from whom you have to receive this 3 lakhs. This 3 lakhs you have to receive from the customer 8707. Next one, part payments, right? Here also the procedures and the concepts are same with the accounts payable, but this we will see in tomorrow's class because we are going outside today. Okay. So I will take this part payments in tomorrow's class, right? And if you have any questions also, you please ask them tomorrow.